In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blur photo in Canva with brush. To get started, open a new tab in your browser. In the search bar, type blur photo online. Canva and run the search. This is a quick way to find Canva's photo blur tool without having to navigate through the site manually, and it's especially helpful if you want to get straight to the feature. Once the search results appear, type in highlight if you want to quickly spot the relevant result on the page more easily. This can help draw your attention to the right listing, particularly if you're looking through several results and want to stay focused on the Canva option. Next, click on the result called Blur Photos Online. Easily blur images with Canva. This will take you directly to Canva's Blur Tool page, where you can begin the process of editing your image. If the page takes a moment to load, just wait a few seconds until everything is fully visible. When you arrive on the Canva page, click on Upload Your Image. This is where you'll bring in the photo you want to edit. Make sure you choose the correct image from your device, since this is the one you'll be applying the blur effect to. After selecting it, Canva will upload the file and open it in the editor. After your image is uploaded, you'll be able to see the brush tool for blurring. This is the key part of the process because instead of blurring the whole photo, the brush lets you apply blur only to specific areas. Before you start brushing, take a moment to adjust the brush size. A larger brush is useful for covering bigger sections quickly, while a smaller brush gives you more control for detailed areas. You can also increase the intensity, which controls how strong the blur effect looks. If you want a subtle result, keep the intensity lower. If you need to hide or soften part of the image more noticeably, raise it higher. Once those settings look right, start brushing over the part of the image you want to blur. As you work, move your cursor carefully so the blur goes exactly where you want it. It's a good idea to apply the effect gradually so the final result looks clean and natural. And that's how you blur a photo in Canva with the brush tool.